I needed to get a walker for my mother-in-law who has health issues. So I purchased this Carex Folding Walker because it was priced right and had a lot of great reviews. Let's take a look. It's all packaged very nicely, as you can see. And it's easy to assemble without the need for tools. I like that. And it's really lightweight, only weighs 6 pounds. And it folds up nicely for transportation. You just have to press 2 buttons. What's more, it's very sturdy and stable, made out of 1-inch round aluminum. It feels very safe and supports somebody up to 300 pounds. You can also adjust the height easily from 30 to 37 inches in height. Just push the adjustment buttons and slide the tubes up or down. It's very lightweight and maneuverable. The sides fold in for storing in tight spaces. That's a big plus. You can also add wheels or glides to the bottom, which are sold separately by Carex, which would be perfect for the elderly or handicapped that want a sturdy walker but really easy to use as well. All in all, a great product for the money.